Learn, master and know English.
How to apologize to someone you have offended. Hey Alex, can we talk for a second?
Yeah, sure. What's on your mind?
I've been thinking about what I said during lunch. I realized my comment about your presentation came off harsh. I wasn't trying to criticize you personally, but I can see I hurt your feelings. I'm really sorry.
I did feel stung. It sounded like you were saying the whole thing was a waste of time.
I get why it felt that way. I was frustrated about the tight deadline and said something thoughtless. That frustration was about the schedule, not about your work or you. I should have chosen my words carefully.
I appreciate you explaining. It wasn't the best timing for that kind of feedback, especially with everyone there.
You're right. Next time I'll bring up concerns privately and focus on specifics instead of sounding dismissive. Your presentation actually clarified a lot for the team, and I didn't acknowledge that.
Thanks for saying that. I can handle constructive feedback, but tone matters. We're all under pressure.
Lesson learned. Are we okay?
Yeah, we're okay. Just maybe buy me a coffee later to make up for it.
Deal. Latte, right?
Absolutely. That sounds great. How about tomorrow?
Okay then, I'll send you a text message to confirm.
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more.